Hey everybody, welcome back to Wallet Reset. In this video, we're going to talk about affiliate links. What are they? How can you use them? How can you get access to them? How you can use them to make money. Alright, so stay tuned. You're going to want to watch this if you're a beginner and you're really trying to get started with a business online, especially if your business is focusing on, in some part, affiliate marketing. This is Mike Malbrough. Welcome to Wallet Reset. Let's just dive right into this because this is a very simple thing to understand. It's a very simple concept. And if you'd like to see how this works in practice, I'll make sure that I leave a link below the description to a video where I show you how to set up an online business. So first, what is an affiliate link? All right, so very simple. An affiliate link is essentially a link that is given to you to track the traffic that you've sent to a certain page so that they can give you credit for any sales that come from the traffic that you send. This is a it's unique to everyone who promotes the product that you're promoting. So you don't have to worry about getting your stuff mixed up, getting paid something that you don't deserve through somebody else's link, or not getting paid what you deserve through your own. All right, so how you can get access to these is by signing up for affiliate programs through whichever program you want. The one that I would suggest you start with if you're an absolute beginner is going to be either Amazon or ClickBank. Now, the reason why is because these two are the top two affiliate programs in the world for the most part, and so you're going to get paid through them. It's going to be very streamlined, if you will. Now, there are other ways to get involved in affiliate marketing, other affiliate marketing programs, but for the people who just are getting started right now, just start there and then branch out as you go on and as you get more experience, because it's going to give you the opportunity to really just focus and just not have to deal with a lot of the more technical aspects of building an affiliate business. So, how do you get paid, right? And this is kind of something that I mentioned in yesterday's video, but essentially you get paid whenever you send traffic to a product and someone buys that product. So, let's say you're promoting a product that's $100 that pays you a commission of $50 per sale. Let's say you send 100 people, one person buys, you would get $50 for this sale. They would track it through your affiliate link, and then the person who owns the product would get paid the other $50, unless it's on Amazon. Amazon does a completely different structure. Theirs is a little bit more technical, so I'm not going to dive into that, but ClickBank is really the best in terms of the amount that they pay you for your commissions, even though people tend to buy physical, tangible products a little bit more easily. But yeah, that's essentially it. You want to start out by getting your affiliate link through whichever affiliate program that you sign up with, and then you're going to use social media, websites, what have you, to send traffic to these affiliate links. And then when somebody buys through your affiliate link, you get a tag that somebody purchased through you. You get a commission from the sales that you generate. And that is essentially it. So as I said, you can understand a little bit more how this works in practice and see where this all goes if you go to the link in the description. Also, if you want to learn how to start an affiliate marketing business, specifically an email affiliate marketing business where you send people emails and they pay you whenever you make a commission through these emails, and I'll show you down in the description below in my course called Starters Formula, I show you how to start that kind of a business, how to go from absolutely not knowing anything to do to start building an email list of potential customers, which are called leads, then how to get these leads to buy or potentially buy your products, and then how to email them into the future and potentially build a recurring income, which I know everybody wants because recurring income is freedom. So anyway, this has been Mike Malbrough. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Hopefully you understand exactly what an affiliate link is and how you can get one. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video, and hopefully you guys have a great evening.